kami kumain. Malapit siya sa beach. Malapit lang to sa hotel namin. Ang cute, oh. Umorder si boss ng beer. Dito kami nakaupo sa may sand kasi dito niya gusto. Ay. Ganda na lagyan ng beer nila. To keep it cold.
Good morning. Now look at the sun.
No, chicken.
I'm gonna roll it. So fast.
Fresh watermelon juice.
Fresh watermelon juice goes to Auntie Aliyah.
Only Aliyah. Only Aliyah.
This looks like pepper, right?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Everybody
Noodles.
eat.
Chicken noodles and seafood fried rice.
So you
Is this the double chicken?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Sarap ng chili nila dito. This one nice. I can eat it like a rice.
Mom, Daddy say after eating, she will buy me bubbles.
Yes.
Okay, nairap to
Yeah,
eat.
they eat.
How you say Sri Lanka?
Silang. Crazy.
Sige nga si daddy mo. You teach daddy how?
Silang.
Ikaw, you say it. Dali. You say it. Dali na.
Yan ka.
How is that, darling?
Silang.
Si daddy naman. Ayun. Lakad na ulit sa kainitan. Kalagitnaan ng araw. Lakad na sa gitna ng init pagkatapos kumain. Bibili naman kami ngayon sa supermarket ng makakain sa hotel. Yan. Mag-ama. Bili tayong conditioner. Ito yung bibili natin. 585. Ano kayo napili itong bata? Zee, sarap sana mag-ice cream kasi maglalakad pa kami pa uwi. Meron tayong yogurt. Tsaka muna. Ito yung cart natin.
This is good.
Curd? How much that?
I don't know. This is yogurt. What one?
Ang kukunin natin ay Angkor 70. Yogurt ba to? Steer vanilla. Low fat naman to.
Yeah. Good money.
Yan. Bili natin. Masarap ang yogurt dito eh. 70 rupees. 70. Ay, galing. Very fast. Oh my God. Oh my God. Not the food, ah.